Alright, what's up, gang? I'm on my way to Kunsei Auto Repair in Conway, Arkansas to get my wind restrictor LED light installed from American Muscle. I really hope it fits because it says it was just for the coupe, not the convertible. It's gonna go right there between the rear view glass and the back seat. Kunsei Auto Repair is really who does everything on my car. They done the paint. He did the wheels, installed my radio, brakes, really everything. He got really good prices. I think the address to the shop is like 1169 Parkway Street, Conway, Arkansas. This is like one of the last things I'm gonna do to my car for a minute. I'm getting it done right in time for the Arkansas Head Turners Car Show, Saturday at Twin Peaks and Little Rock, I think, or maybe North Little Rock. I really wish my trunk layout was done, but the guy that's doing it, he does it outside, and the weather's been like real bad in Ozark, Arkansas, so I probably won't have that done until next Saturday, next Friday, but it's gonna be worth it. I think, okay, it's one car show Saturday, and then it's another car show in Fulton, Arkansas Sunday that I'm probably going to. But I will be right back as soon as we make it to the shop. Alright guys, I'm at the shop now, and as you can see, we're installing the wind restrictor behind the headrests. Alright guys, this is a warning. Please do not listen to anything this man has to say, because sometimes he says stuff that just comes to his mind and I have no control over it. So just bear with me in this video, please. I think that light up blue.
Yeah, and it's got, I guess, around the outside. This, anything that's edged is gonna light up, because it just sends the light through the plexiglass.
I was on YouTube. I vlogged everything.
I don't know why it was up.
What do you? To the switch?
Switch.
We can do it to the first switch. Damn, look how shiny this paint is. It's been wet sanded and buffed. I think he did the wet sand and buff like 2 or 3 weeks ago. I'm gonna get my interior done soon.
What else you got wired to this front switch?
The what?
Nothing. Just that blue light right here.
You talking about the
other one?
that's the headlights too.
Okay, that's what I thought. You got. Where'd you splice them in up there?
Huh?
You splice them in up there? Okay.
And we're done. LED. It's off American Muscle. I think it was like $341. Alright, I think I'm done recording right now until it's nighttime so you can see the blue LED better. So yeah. Alright Alright guys, I'm back. I had to wait till we got nighttime so you can see what I was talking about earlier. But this is the wind restrictor I was reviewing earlier. I really like how it turned out. It's bright as hell. Yeah. TVs. Yeah, I like how it turned out. There's probably, I got one more thing to do to this car, then I'm probably done until I get my interior done. So, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.